Space. A vast plain of endless stars, and a deadly lack of oxygen. Fun fact, space exists, and there are multiple regions in it. Why don't we go over them, shall we? We begin with Geospace. Geospace is the region of outer space near Earth, including the upper atmosphere and the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere being a field of gravitational effect that mass has on other objects. Geospace is populated by electrically charged particles of very low densities, the motions of which are controlled by Earth's magnetic field. These plasmas form a medium from which storm-like disturbances powered by the solar wind can drive electrical currents into Earth's upper atmosphere. Next, we have lunar space. The lunar space acts as a trajectory of a cosmic mass's orbit. Earth's gravity keeps the Moon in orbit at an average of 384,403 kilometers, or 238,857 miles. Deep space is connected to the lunar space, as it is anything outside of the lunar space. There can be much larger regions of space as well, one of them being interplanetary space. Interplanetary space is defined by the solar wind, a continuous stream of charged particles emanating from the Sun that creates a very tenuous atmosphere, also known as the heliosphere, for billions of kilometers into space. The volume of interplanetary space is near total vacuum, with a mean free path of about 1 astronomical unit at the orbital distance of the Earth. Interstellar space is the physical space between a galaxy beyond the influence of each star has upon the encompassed plasma. In other words, the distance between stars in a galaxy. Nothing else to it. And finally, intergalactic space. Intergalactic space is the physical space between galaxies. Studies of the large-scale distribution of galaxies show that the universe has a foam-like structure, with groups and clusters of galaxies lying among filaments that occupy about a tenth of that total space. Well, it appears that is all the time I have for today. Not actually, I'm just tired. Goodbye.